What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Brothers Outdoors, man, coming to you live from my parents' house. It's Sunday afternoon, and Sundays with the family, we like to cook out and have fun. My mama normally leads that charge. And today she's cooking some fish that me and my wife caught last week. We caught about 20 nice-sized brown. We're finna go in here, see what she up to, how she cooking it, how she preparing it. But also, man, I got some great news. So y'all my loyal following, y'all know that I've been working on my all-purpose seasoning for a while. Well, I'm glad to announce that seasoning will be for sale this Memorial Day weekend. You can get it on brothersoutdoors.com and you get it on other platforms. But it's gonna be available for you all to purchase and to use. And I'm telling you, and I guarantee you, this is the best all-purpose seasoning ever made. So I hold that word to be true, and I'm looking forward to proving it to you guys. But Brothers Outdoors begins right now. So what you doing over there, Mom?
I'm breading it up.
All right.
So these are two of them. I'm not going to fry the skin. I'm going to pan fry them.
That grease out already?
Tell you one thing, we can sure find out. It's a simple thing. With the dot of water, if it pops, it's ready. That one's not. This one is. That one is too. About 15 years ago, fish breader, got it at Bass Pro. Everything is about faded out, but we've had this 10 or 15 years. We just turn it upside down. Getting the fish breaded.
Outdoor show.
All right. Now it's this one.
That.
Let's go see if I can get another one. What's a big old mustache? Tell me, they better recognize a man growing a mustache.
He got peach fuzz.
That's a man with a stash.
Peach fuzz.
Man got a stash.
Oh Lord, how many times have you been there?
Well, like about this, he gets the bread all on the inside.
Oh yeah. So what you doing now, Mom?
Oh, I'm turning nice fresh Bream over for the last time. And when I get them out, I'm going to put them on the rack so that the grease can drain off and they can stay crisp.
Okay.
If I put them at the bottom of the pan, the bottom of it's going to be soggy.
Right. Really?
So it's ready now.
They fry or just the way I like it?
Just like you like it, Chris.
Absolutely.
Just like you and Cabram both like it.
Oh yeah. Hey, this ain't too bad for an hour of fishing.
Not at all. Y'all cleaned them so nice.
Thank you.
And so all I did was let them soak in some sea salt water.
Right.
And I scored them so they get done evenly.
Okay.
It's ready.
I can't let that
And did you use Brothers Outdoor season on this?
Yes. And look, where is it? I just had it out.
Put that into everything.
Here it is. It will make it so good. You tell me how you like it.
So green beans, you ain't getting left. That's the reason.
You must say that. Some green beans.
He said he had 5.
I'm gonna eat 6.
Right. Man, I want to thank Christian gave me kitchen. She got a bit late though. Look like you got about 2 more minutes wait. 2 minutes on the right. On the cat. Right. That's, you go to Campbell's Fish Market for bread. That's still yeah, like that. 2 minutes on the cat. Bonus cat.
Almost ready. Double fish, double skillet. Right. Double fish. I think this right here, man. All right. I got aluminum foil twisted up.
That was cool. Oh my God. Awesome. It's amazing. Well, not many words coming from down here, so I guess everybody good.
Man, it's so good.
No, man, you did good, man. Go and grab your plate, bro.